came to the monastery at sunset. Backpack still on, phone in hand. He looked tired, but it wasn't from work. I keep putting things off, he said. I want to start something, but I never do. He paused, looked down. I think I'm just lazy. I shook my head gently. No, you're not. He looked confused. So I stood up and handed him a bow. Shoot, I said. He looked up, but there was nothing in front of him. No target? He asked. Exactly, I replied. You're not lazy. You're aimless. You keep waiting to feel motivated. But how can you move forward when you don't know where forward is? Even the sharpest arrow is useless if it doesn't have a direction. Even the strongest legs will wander in circles without a destination. Procrastination isn't always a discipline problem. It's a clarity problem. Once you decide what you truly want, you won't need to push yourself anymore. You'll feel pulled. He didn't shoot that day. Instead, he began writing. Not tasks, not goals, just one sentence. This is what I want. And for the first time, he wasn't stuck. This is Vertigo Motivation. Thank you for watching, and keep hustling.